Hello everyone. Today I am going to give you a demo of a home automation system where I am going to control the same light in 8 different ways. Let's start with the first one, tab/mobile app button. So this is a mobile app installed on this tablet and it has these buttons. I'm going to hit that Hall tube button now. The tube is currently off over there. So Hall tube is on now. Pressing the same button again turns off the tube. On, off. So that's mobile app way of controlling it. The next one is hard remote button. So this means I need this real remote which I'll use to control the same tube light. So the button number 4 here is mapped to the tube. So I'm going to press this, pointing it there. Tube is on. Pressing it once more, tube is off. Once again, off. So that's method number 2. Method number 3 is voice control via Amazon Echo. So the Echo is sitting there. So I'm going to give it a command. Alexa, turn on. I think it didn't hear me. Alexa, turn on light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, switch on light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, switch off light 1.
Okay.
So that was voice control using the Amazon Echo. Next one is web browser. So here in the browser I have a URL endpoint pointing to my Raspberry Pi, and this particular URL, if I hit enter on it, let's see what happens. It's on. So if I hit enter on it once again, it's off. So that completes method number 4, web browser. Next is command line. So I can basically run this command on any computer which is on my home network. This happens to be my main computer. I have just logged in via PuTTY into my main computer, which is a Linux desktop, and I'm going to just clear the screen and hit this. Okay, so this command, you see it ends in Hall tube. So let's hit enter now. Light turns on. I hit the same command once again, light turns off. So I could add a 1 at the end and force it to turn on every time I hit this command instead of a toggle, or I could put a 0 instead and make it turn off every time. So that completes command line. Next is number 6, voice control via Google speech to text. So I have this Google speech to text app also installed here on the tablet. So this button over here triggers a pop-up which listens to my voice input, and let's see what happens. Switch on hall lamp. Okay, it turned on another lamp. I didn't mention tube. Okay, let's try that again. Switch on hall tube. Okay, it did turn on, but after a delay. Switch off hall tube. Switch on hall tube. Switch off hall tube. Okay. Next item on the list is controlling via smartwatch. So I have this Pebbles smartwatch. I'm going to press a few buttons here. This button is going to pull up a list of devices, and if I long press this, let's go up to see the tube. Yeah, if I long press this button, it says hall lights. You see the light on. I long press this again, the light is off. Press again, the light is on. Press again and it's off. Okay, that completes number 7. Next is mobile hardware button. Okay, now since I am recording this video using my mobile and this hardware button is also on my mobile, you will not be able to see me actually press the button. But and there is one more issue. When I press the hardware button, which is currently the volume down, the recording seems to stop. So you will see that the video ends when I press this button. Anyway, I will restart the recording and you will see that it is on. So here goes. So the tube went on after the recording stopped. I will press the button again and the tube should go off. So the tube is off now, but the recording stopped again when I press the button. So that finishes the 8 different ways of controlling the same light using a homebrew custom home automation system.